So this is the Prismacolor landscape set. It's 12 count and it comes in this nice reusable tin. So you get a lot of nice colors to do landscape coloring with. They come pre-sharpened. You can see I've used some of them already, but they do come pre-sharpened. This is a soft lead pencil, which is nice because I don't know if you remember back in the day, the colored pencils for kids were always hard, and it was really a lot of pressure in order to get the color on the page. But with the soft lead pencils, you don't have to do that. You don't have to work as hard to get to the color to lay down. And what's also great about soft lead pencils is you can do levels of color. So if you want it to be a light shade, you can just press gently. But if you want it to have a heavier, like more opaque feel, you can just press harder. So it's nice to have that option. And they're also blendable too. So if you want to mix different shades, you can do that. I like this packaging because it's a sturdy tin, so it's a really nice packaging. Now Prismacolor advertises these as artist quality. So that means that beginners can use them, professional artists can use them, and they're the quality that would make it ideal for both audiences. And I'm just a regular schmegular person who likes to color. I'm not a professional at all. And I really get a lot of use out of these. As you can see, I have several different sets. And I really enjoy them. I like coloring with them. I like coloring with alcohol markers, and I use these to add in shades. I'll either color with the colored pencils by themselves, or if I want to use them with my alcohol markers, I can add shading and details with the color pencils, and they work really nice. They're really highly pigmented, so like I said, you get the color on the page. It lays down really well, and they're just overall really nice to use, in my opinion. So I hope this has been helpful in making your decision.